As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Axie cost will hit $12 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $15 by the center of 2024. Axie will ascend to $20 inside the extended time of 2026 and $25 in 2028. Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.85. So the cost expanded by 31% from the start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $14.50 and the year-to-year change plus 142%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 85%. In 2023, we hope to see $10 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $15.77. In the final part, the cost would add $1.37 and close the year at $17.14, which is plus 118% to the ongoing cost. The conjecture for later, close to days and months: Tuesday, April 25th, $7.88. Wednesday, April 26th, $7.91. Thursday, April 27th, $7.95. Friday, April 28th, $7.98. Saturday, April 29th, $8.01. Sunday, April 30th, $8.04. Monday, May 1st, $8.07. Tuesday, May 2nd, $8. The 11th of May, $8.52. June 15th, $9.52. July 15th, $10.37. August 15th, $11. The 13th of September, $11.88. October 15th, $12.62. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $17.14 to $27.79, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2025 at $17.14, then, at that point, dip to $16.65 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $19.15. That implies plus 144% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $27.79 to $39.95, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $27.79, then take off to $29.46 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $31.12. It is about plus 296% from today. Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.42. So the cost expanded by 40% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.05 and the year-to-year change plus 151%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 79%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.38 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.37. In the final part, the cost would add $1.42 and close the year at $17.79, which is plus 111% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $17.79 to $28.81, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2025 at $17.79, then, at that point, dip to $17.28 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $19.87. That implies plus 136% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $28.81 to $41.41, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $28.81, then take off to $30.54 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $32.26. It is about plus 283% from today. 03/15/2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.76. So the cost expanded by 46% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.75 and the year-to-year change plus 163%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 80%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.86 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $17.51. In the final part, the cost would add $1.33 and close the year at $18.84, which is plus 115% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.84 to $34.82, which is up 85%. Axie will begin 2025 at $18.84, then, at that point, take off to $22.23 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $25.56. That implies plus 192% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $34.82 to $46.27, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $34.82, then, at that point, take off to $36.91 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $38.99. It is about plus 345% from today. 0301 2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.93. So the cost expanded by 66% from the start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $19.76 and the year-to-year change plus 229%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 99%. In 2023, we hope to see $13.63 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $21.96. In the last part, the cost would add $1.67 and close the year at $23.63, which is plus 138% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $23.63 to $43.66, which is up 85%. Axie will begin 2025 at $23.63, then, at that point, take off to $27.88 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $32.06. That implies plus 223% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $43.66 to $58.02, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $43.66, then take off to $46.28 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $48.88. It is about plus 392% from today. 0215 2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.90. So the cost expanded by 65% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $13.